Eagles do not eat dead materials. Di na siya mukhaog patay ng materials actually ang agila. Okay? Ano man, walay challenge. Gusto niya fresh. So what's the message? I want you to let go of the dead experiences na. Ayaw na yun ang kauna. Dead naman na. Forget those things. Forgive, but never forget. Okay? What's the word? Forgive, but do not forget the lessons. Okay, usahay man good. Forgive and forget the lesson. Muna magbalik-balik. Okay, forgive. Coach, even ang ibang tao dili worth forgiving, i-forgive Japon niya dili. Dili man sa deserving na ako siyang i-forgive. Ang i-forgive lang Japon ninyo. Wow, palakpakan ako. That's it. Because some people, do not deserve forgiveness, but you deserve peace of mind. That's the thing. Okay? Imagine mo, ang imong blood pressure, 120/80. Paghawa mo siya ng inyong balay, paggawas mo, nikalikag katumba kay nagkita mo. Alakan, sikay ka. Diba? Ginahuna-huna ni mo siya. Diba? Pero siya, waka niya huna-huna Diba? So again, forget the past na. Ano yung nagdala-dala? Bisa kung saan nakagamay, just like, di ba? Kanang kini, gunitan ni mo nga battle. No? Grudge, anger ni mo nita na, gulit-gulitan. Gaan dili. Oh, pero dahil ani sa 1 year. Kasi may tabo ni mo. Laylay ka ini, di ba? Manggahi isuri yung kamot. So just like, grudge here. Kung dili ni mo nabuhian, let go. And the first thing that you should be forgiving is yourself. Some people cannot forgive themselves. We are very hard on ourselves actually. Ako, guilty ko anak. Very hard ko sa akong self. Okay, that's why ako ginanggipan ng kamutan. No? Yeah, do not be hard to yourself. Be kind to yourself. Okay, ikaw lang na. Wala ilain. Pag wala na ka. Okay? So again, forgive people.